Look, there's really no excuse not to have money and show you how easy it is to make money online with ChatGPT. It's so easy, I'm actually going to give you every single step. So if you like this video, follow me for more life-changing. So I hopped on Upwork and I searched write email copy and I filtered it by jobs. As you can see, there's 223 jobs right now. So let's take a look at this one right here. Irreverent yet reliable copywriter. They posted it 3 days ago. Hourly $40 to $60 and they want 30 hours or more per week. And all they want is for someone to write emails for them. So easy. The name of the company is AppSumo. They want the emails in AppSumo's signature voice and style. And they want you to be Twitter funny. You can do that, right? But you don't have to. Watch this. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to do this, which is an AI tool if you haven't heard about it yet. So what I wrote and told ChatGPT to do was write me a humorous email for readers on the AppSumo email list. Make it 150 words and include a PS at the end with social proof. And I'm gonna press go. Now look at it go. It's typing it all up for me. They even got the humor in there. AppSumo's product is so easy to use, even my pet rock can launch a successful business with it. I would obviously go in here and change some things, but that's the gist of it. This is so simple, so go out, get on Upwork, and make some money. And follow me for more on ChatGPT and side hustles to start making money today.